Hello, my complete name is Cintia Zoccatelli. I'm 31 and my birthday is on July 1st. I was born in Araraquara, but I grew up in São Carlos. I'm a nurse technician, but at the moment I am a surgical instrumentation assistant for 8 years. I live with my husband. His name is Victor. We are married for 10 years. We don't have any children or pets. We live in Jardim Dona Francisca. I enjoy practicing sports. I like running and walking. Sometimes I run around 6 kilometers. I like swimming, but just a little, and I'm very good in Portuguese. My days are busy. I wake up at 5:20 a.m. and go to work. There, I have lunch at around 1:30 p.m. and go back home 3:30 p.m. It's so exhausting. I work from Mondays to Fridays and sometimes on Saturdays. I love my job, but often it's a little stressful. I don't have a big family, one brother and one sister. My brother has 2 sons, Leonardo and Pedro. They are 15 and 10 years old. My sister-in-law's name is Natalia. My sister doesn't have any children. She and my brother-in-law, Leandro, live in Brasilia. I love sleeping and traveling, especially to the beach. I love the beach and sun. I like watching action movies and dislike horror movies. That's a little about me.